Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Good Friday until Easter Sunday, April 7 to 9, 2023. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set, which we issued yesterday, April 6th, and is valid until tomorrow, Black Saturday, April 8th. We have a light northeasterly surface wind flow, bringing some dry conditions and cloudy skies across Bicol region and eastern Visayas. And a shear line is spotted here to the east of the Philippine Islands. And we are keeping an eye on our new low pressure area, which developed during the past 48 hours. This is LPA 90W. And this system is likely to pose a threat across the eastern sections of Bicol region and eastern Visayas, as well as the eastern coastal waters of Luzon by next week. And we are going to monitor this system. Let's hope and pray that this system will not intensify into a typhoon, but one of the computer models, particularly the American model, is suggesting it could become a Category 1 typhoon between April 11 to 13, and we are going to monitor this. But the European model shows just a tropical depression or tropical storm passing close to the coastal waters of the Bicol region, and we will keep you updated if there is rapid intensification of this system. But right now it's quite disorganized, but let's hope and pray that it won't push through. So here's the fast animation as of today, and this is the satellite animation. You can clearly see here the circulation of LPA 90W is still quite disorganized, but it's starting to move towards the north in the vicinity of Yap, and is already bringing winds of 30 to 35 kph, and we are keeping an eye on this system every now and then. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, these are now the trough or the extension of LPA 90W, which is located somewhere here to the south of Colonia Yap, and it's bringing some rains and thunderstorms. And the Philippine Islands is clear of any strong thunderstorms except for a brief one which passed over central Palawan, but overall only up to cloudy conditions will be expected throughout the day. But in the evening there are some isolated rain showers expected across portions of Visayas and Mindanao. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast from both of the two reliable computer models, the American and the European model, which I will show to you what will be the long range or medium range forecast of this system, particularly next week after Holy Week. And for the next 3 days, this LPA will remain meandering over the vicinity or along the vicinity of Western Micronesia. So by tomorrow afternoon, Black Saturday, it will be very close to Yap, still moving slowly towards the northwest. Easter Sunday, it will be to the along the western coastal waters of Yap, or to the northern coastal waters of Palau, as an active LPA with light to moderate northeasterly wind flow affecting Luzon and the Bicol region, but it remains dry, with temperature reaching as high of 30 to 33, with heat index topping 45 degrees Celsius. And on Monday next week, here's the European model that shows to you that the LPA will start to move closer towards eastern Visayas, and on Tuesday, April 11, it could become a tropical depression as it approaches the coastal waters of the Bicol region. There will be a new forecast later on, so maybe tomorrow or Sunday we will be bringing out another YouTube and Facebook video analysis on this system, And on Wednesday, April 12, it will be approaching the coastal waters of northern Samar and Bicol region as a tropical depression or tropical storm. Thursday, April 13, it will pass very close to Catanduanes or over Catanduanes and moving across the coastal waters or coastal areas of Caramuan or Partido district in Camarines Sur and over the coastal waters of northern Camarines Norte as a tropical depression, a low pressure area, or even a tropical storm. It depends if the intensity of this LPA will intensify, but usually these computer models are on the lower side of things, okay, of the forecast. So we shall wait and see. And on Friday, April 14, it will dissipate as a low pressure system as it traverses quickly the central portions of Luzon, exiting the coastal waters of western Luzon. Now, what will be the forecast on the American model? So it shows here as a tropical depression or tropical storm on Monday, April 10. Tuesday, April 11, it will become a tropical storm. Wednesday, April 12, it will start to move towards the north, roughly more than 400 kilometers east of Bicol, so it's not close to the region. And on April 13, it will approach the coastal waters of Bicol region. Friday, April 14, it will pass to the northeast of Bicol region as a severe tropical storm or a typhoon. And Saturday, April 15, it will start to recurve because of an approaching frontal system that will break the high pressure ridge and pull or attract the system to move towards the north. Okay, so that will be the forecast based on the European model. So it will track towards the general direction of the southern islands of Japan based on the American model. So it's still early to tell. The probability or the uncertainty remains high, and we will let you know when we reach Monday or Tuesday what will be the real threat of this system. But let's hope that it won't become a powerful system. But by next week, residents along Eastern Visayas and Bicol region must be prepared on the possible rainfall that could affect your area. So this is the rain forecast moving into Tuesday and Wednesday, April 12. So beginning April 12, we expect scattered to occasional moderate to heavy rains over the Bicol region, and it will be more frequent over Samar Island because of the rain bands of LPA 90W, which could become a tropical cyclone. And in the evening of April 12, it will dump heavy rains across Bicol region as well, but it will start to dissipate on Thursday. But still, there will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms expected, extending across Mindoro, Romblon, and northern Panay. And on Friday, it will just be over the southern Tagalog provinces or over Calabarzon on Friday, April 14th. So this forecast for next week is still uncertain. It's less than 50%, low probability. So we will wait and see through the weekend until Monday if the rain forecast will still proceed. But as of now, let's watch and observe what will be the progress of LPA 90W. So for the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook issued for the next 2 weeks, valid April 12 to April 18, this is week 2. Philippine Islands is, particularly the eastern sections of the Philippine Sea, is under the possible tropical cyclone formation of more than 50% probability. So we are still going to wait and see what will be the true forecast of this system. And on April 19 to 25 for week 3, the Philippine Islands will be moving back to normal climate conditions, meaning dry conditions will persist on the third week. But the third week is very low in probability or very high in uncertainty. So watch out for our next update, probably this Easter Sunday, to give you the very latest on LPA 90W. Again, this is Mike Padua saying good day to all. May you have a peaceful and blessed Holy Week. And see you again on Easter Sunday. Good day, and thank you so much for watching.